Hello everyone, and welcome again to this next video in the series of building dashboards with the iDecision Designer series. In this video I would like to show you how to use more advanced features such as security and authority and properties features. Let's start out by showing you how we actually deploy these dashboards that we have built. First of all, we're going to have to add a folder here in the shared folder. Click that. We call this demo deployment. And next we click on the dashboards that we want to deploy, which will be the ones here in this folder, demo, the ones that we've created during this series. And that is the location where we want to deploy these. We click OK, and deployment will complete. We go down here, we have these. Now let's assign authority. In this case, who can access these dashboards as users wise within your organization? So in order to do that, we are going to first create here, as you can see, users and groups. We're going to add, and this is going to be username demo. Caption automatically fills out. You can put in his email if needed. Password, I'm going to use it very simple. There we go. His role is user, and here you can choose whether he's going to be an administrator, a designer, or a user. In this case, it's obvious it's going to be user. And here we have the options to disable change password or account disabled. That's all we need to do. Very basic. We've created the user. Now we can go back. And once we've created the user, we can now do the shared authority. The user demo, we click on him, and he can access right now the deployment. By clicking on the main folder, he has access to everything within there. If we only want to give him access to a certain pages, but not this one, we can also do that. But for this case, now he can also go here. So we save this as is, save complete. Okay, now we can go to page security. Again, we need to click on the user, and do we want him to access PowerPoint? Can save online, offline, create a topic, and reply and send email. Obviously, these two are related to can send email, create a topic, and reply to them. You can also upload files. You can give them all these, change parameters, all these privileges to this user. So we can save here, save complete. Now, the user demo has access to this folder, which contains all the dashboards that we built during this series, and he can do the functions within there. Next, let's go and show you a little other features that we have here. For example, let's go here to the design mode, and there's another properties box that I really haven't showed you. If we click on, for example, this button list here, we have access to this whole properties box here. Attach property here, main query. We can actually go in and change what's the data source, group keys if we want to group them by. Other features here, for example, the button height. Instead of 50, what if we want to make it 70? Please watch the box here. Once I click enter, you see that? Now they become a little bigger. We can also change the button layout from here if we wanted to make it. We can also change the button color when selected. We can make it red if we like, as you can see there. Button style, we can change that to a different style. Also the width, instead of 120 we can make it 150. Enter, and again the buttons become a little bigger. let's look at what we can do for the map. As you can see, it changes to the property box for the map. Default brush, we can make this red, and there you have it. We've changed that. Height, again, those are all the basics. Let's see what else we have down here. Data binding, again, you can change the regions, the values for everything right here. Next, we would like to show you how to deploy these to a mobile device. Now, if we go back to Explorer, again, we click on the property for this one, mobile. We're going to do it to an iPad. Okay, mobile as well. There you go, folks. All you have to do is log in and you will be able to access this on your mobile devices. Thank you very much again for joining us. I hope you found this informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video of the series. Thank you very much.